this is me Nishika, and this is a Back to College plus Go to Market with Me video. So basically, in today's video, I am going to the market and you're gonna come with me. And I am also doing some things that I need to before I go back to college. I'm starting my second year in fashion designing and I cannot really believe it, but I have to. Now we are heading to the main market abhi actually because we have some things that we need to return, exchange to buy, and then we are gonna go to buy my new phone case or something, and then I have a lot to do. I got my hands waxed this morning and it was so painful. I don't know what happened. I just get this sensation in my chest. Even while I was getting my nails done, it happened to me. I don't know what it is. Sensation is actually really weird, and I do not really like it. It's not painful. It's just weird, and I do not like it. And then the wax goes a little bit hot on me, and even when I came back home and I was like in the washroom and I was taking a bath, my hands were all red. Even then, I hands really needed the cold water to cool down a lot. So I guess I'm not getting any waxing for the next few months. Let's go to the market till then. Also, guys, we need to change because हम राजवाड़ा जा रहे हैं and there this crop top won't do. So let's change first. Okay, so rather than actually changing, I changed into a shirt and I also put on jeans because I need pockets. And now I'm going to put on some shoes because we will have to walk. And I guess it's going to be a very short video, maybe comparatively, but let's see.
ये देखिए टाइटल का क्या करेंगे। टाइटल की कंडीशन देखो मैं एक बार।
What is with it? What is with the sky?
Yeah, चले अंदर दिखा ये 220 अंदर आ जाओ देख लो इसके 25 का लगा आपके पास ये 100 यार 100 में कौन सा मिलेगा
अच्छा तो लग रहा है।
हाँ ये भी
पानी पीने में आता है।
बिना ट्रैफिक जाम लगे एक दिन नहीं निकलता इंदौर में। गाइस लोग कितने तेज चल रहे हैं ये बादल, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज चल रहा है। वीडियो में नहीं दिख रहा है रियली फास्ट। इफ यू सी विद योर नेकेड आईज दे आर मूविंग लाइक एट 10 speed. Yeah, guys, we went out, we bought stuff, but none of the stuff was what I wanted. At last, we picked up my sister, and now we're gonna go back to buy all that I wanted to. मेरा भी इतना सिर दुख रहा है. I'm having a crazy headache. I'm really tired, and tomorrow I have to do Majdoori volunteering at this exhibition. But we bought a lot of things. I guess I'll rest and then we'll go back. Guys, बारिश हो गई. घर पर आना, आकर थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करना, चाय पीकर वापस निकल जाना, failed. whole plan failed. What actually happened was थोड़ी देर पहले बारिश होना शुरू हुई and it's not stopping. दिन भर से बारिश का मौसम बना हुआ था but had to rain right now जब मुझे मेरा ही काम करवाना था. But guess what? I won't let it drain everything that I have planned for today to drain out of me. I'm actually gonna be happy about something that I bought. I bought jewelry. I showed you jhumkas. So yeah, I bought them and I am really happy because whenever I show them off, I'm like, this is what I wear, like this is what I bought. I really love my jhumkas. I have a whole collection of someday when it comes to Dimag Sanka and I'm like कुछ भी बनाने को है नहीं, so I'll make that video. I will show you my whole jewelry collection. I'm so excited. Anyways, for now I'm gonna show you what I bought today and then this vlog is going to continue on the day when I am going to the market again, not the market. I'm going out again for all of what I wanted to buy or purchase, like my phone cover to get a new screen guard because my phone is in a really bad condition. My screen guard is really in cracks. There are spiders on my screen. Okay, so guys, I have all that I bought today. Buy too much actually because even though there was time, we were torn between actually buying the stuff that we want to or the stuff that we are seeing. Because every time I go to that market, I'm like in love with everything there is. So I'm sorry for doing that actually. So sorry for myself because जो पैसे मुझे बचाने चाहिए, I खर्च them out. Anyways, I guess our first stop was this little thing right here. This is a really nice one piece for my little sister. She's not the one that I have in this house. And then, oh my god, guys, we bought these cuties in lehenga chuni. They're so tiny. They fit in this thing. इतनी बड़ी मेरी jewelry की थैली आती है. इतने में मेरी सिर्फ चुन्नियाँ स्कार्फ्स आते हैं. इतने में सिर्फ स्कार्फ्स आते हैं. नो किड, आई एम नॉट किडिंग. इतने में सिर्फ स्कार्फ्स आते हैं. ठीक है. एनीवेज, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, ये भी एक छोटा सा है एंड इतने में मेरा सिर्फ एक कुर्ता आता है. सो ये बहुत क्यूट है. बाय द वे मैं खोल नहीं रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे वापस डालने में आलसी आ जाएगी एंड अगर मैंने फैलावा करके छोड़ दिया तो मम्मी मारेगी. Next, our stop was at this place that has beautiful fabrics at lower prices. So this was the one that we bought. I really liked it. My mom really liked it. She actually fell in love with it. She was like, "Oh my god, wow! Should we buy it?" She was trying to buy another white colored fabric. That was totally different from this one, which was much more beautiful. I wanted to buy that, but मम्मी को लगा कि ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा and we bought this for नवरात्रि लहंगा बनाने के लिए. तो मम्मी को लगा कि ये लहंगा बनाने के लिए would be better, so हम ये लेकर आए and इसके ऊपर ब्लाउज ढूंढना है, इसका लहंगा बनाना है, सब कुछ करना है. But then हम थोड़ा सा और घूमे और घूमने के जस्ट पहले हमने ज्वेलरी खरीदी. Jewelry haul. Anyways, बहुत सारे झुमके थे वहाँ पर and I literally had to physically control for myself from going like because I thought everything was really expensive. मैं literally 30-35 के झुमकेस लेकर आती हूँ and these are 100-150, so this wasn't a steal deal. These were exactly the ones that you would get anywhere in the market. And my mom thinks I bought all of these for Navratri. Excuse me. Actually, this has been on my list. I wanted to buy this for a really long time. Like काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे ये खरीदना था and मैं इसे हर जगह देखती थी but I always thought कि this was too expensive. Alright, and maybe I bought this at a very expensive rate, but just because I was doing this impulsive buying thing at the time, I guess, because you know every time कोई भी लड़की अगर ज्वेलरी शॉप में झुमके और ये ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी देखती है, who can control themselves? So I just bought these and ये भी महंगे ही थे. From what I think कि ये महंगे ही थे. इनकी हाइप आई, बट अब हाइप जा चुकी है तो इनकी प्राइस कम हो जानी चाहिए थी, बट कम नहीं हो रही, तो आई गेस इनकी प्राइस है ही इतनी, इसलिए इसी प्राइस पे बिकते हैं ये. बट anyways, these are actually really nice. I do like them, and I do see myself wearing them a lot because gold jewelry is my go-to. I look good in both gold and silver, तो दोनों ही like there's but I look much better in gold, so it's not like कि मैं पहनूंगी नहीं, but it's just एक वो time होता है when you buy something and then you like यार सस्ते में मिल जाता. Then we bought this blouse. This is really nice actually, and इसका भी प्राइस was actually very normal. It was 500. काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी भी है and it will fit really nice too. And इसका जो बैग है ना, I bought this specially for the bag. Like it's really nice. And even though people will think कि अरे ऐसा ब्लाउज तो बहुत पहनते हैं, मैंने नहीं पहने हैं, मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ ब्लाउज, so मेरे लिए this is really nice. I was actually looking for those halter neck and those Indo-Western kind of blouses that went viral, I guess, last year or year before last, but still I wanna wear them. And उस टाइम मैंने इसलिए नहीं पहना था because मैं कहीं जा ही नहीं रही थी. इस साल आई एम गोइंग गरबा, पूरी 1 महीने की प्रैक्टिस, हज़ारों का पैसा और फिर हज़ारों ऑन ड्रेसेस. आई एम गोइंग टू गरबा. देन फाइनली दिस लहंगा. ये बहुत सिंपल एंड सोवर दिख रहा होगा, राइट? बट गेस व्हाट, इसका घेर कितना है? एंड आई कैन नॉट इवन टेक द होल इन माई हैंड. एंड ये इतना तो है ही, 8 मीटर का घेर है इसमें. हमने करवाया था उनसे काउंट, 8 मीटर. एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली रियली हैवी. इसके ऊपर आई एम गोना वेयर दिस ब्लाउज and also on this one. And I bought these Mughal repellers. Why would I say that? Mughal repellers, these are actually beautiful. But I really want something like Mughal repeller. Like, take my card. I don't have one. Like, take my chippers. No. Anyways, take my cash, take my card, take my money. Give me a Mughal repeller because ये दुनिया, ये लोग मेरे लिए नहीं बने हैं. They annoy me so much. Like every person annoys me so much. Every single one of them. Like you can physically see me raging up on the road while in the traffic or in the jam. Like I'm literally physically raging up and I'm like having this effing disgusting feeling that I just wanna slap them on the face. And kabhi bhi, if you went out to the market, if you go to the market, never ever will you come back home before a man tries something ajeeb. Like it's just what men do. Like after all of this time, there's not been one day जब किसी आदमी ने अजीब सी हरकत ना करी हो. आज तो फिर भी I wore a crop top because एकदम से last minute मम्मी ने बोला कि अभी जा रहे हैं, अभी ही जा रहे हैं. I got ready for this another video actually, but मम्मी ने बोला कि नहीं अभी ही जा रहे हैं. So I just had to like यही पहनकर मैं चली गई. पर मैंने शर्ट पहनी थी ये. Still इनके इशारे खत्म नहीं होते हैं. नहीं मिल गया ना तो वापस साले चीर फाड़ के गाड़ दूंगी. Anyways guys, I'll meet you again किसी भी दिन जब भी मैं वापस जाऊंगी, क्योंकि कल तो मुझे एग्जीबिशन में जाना है and then परसों I just have to go to college, या तो फिर सैटरडे को होगा भी. So I'll meet you again then, but for you it will be like just कलंक लगा है. कलंक मेरे हेयर कट करवाने में कलंक, ना फ़ोन के साथ है ना हेयर कट हो रहा है मेरा. ओके गाइस, फाइनली वी आर गोइंग फॉर हेयर कट एंड अभी आई एम रेडी. अभी पहले हेयर कट करवाएंगे एंड देन वील परचेज माई फ़ोन केस. कल हम गए थे तब बारिश हो गई एंड कुछ हो नहीं पाया. उसके बाद फिर वी हैड टू कम बैक होम एंड ज़्यादा कुछ हमने करा नहीं था. सो लेट्स गो बैक एंड लेट्स डू दिस. आज कंप्लीट करके ही मारूंगी मैं. always have to put them like this so that they are curved and according to my face. I wanted them a little bigger, like over here. Sorry, over here. But I did the wrong thing when the barber was actually cutting over here. I told him shorter, shorter. I want it shorter, and this is shorter. So, haha. Alright, so guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And this was really something that I didn't see coming that I would shoot for. But anyways, I hope you liked it. And मेरे haircut में I have a few problems. So I'm feeling a little अजीब right now, but I think I will do something for the flicks because मुझे ऐसे ऐसे करने की आदत है, and I really like when I do this because मेरे hairs used to go like this, so वो काफी अच्छे लगते थे, but now my flicks are acting up. I'll meet you again in the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if you enjoyed this one, you will probably enjoy the others as well. So go and check them out too, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.